Hey guys, ChrisFix here, and today we are going drifting. So let me show you. This is my DriftStang. This car I got for $1,000 and I fixed it up. It was headed to the junkyard, but now she is good to go. She's ready to drift. Let me just show you a little bit. It's pretty much stock. The engine is almost stock, has an intake, has an exhaust. That's really it. We have a hydro e-brake here. So this locks up the rear tires, and then I will be clutch kicking. So I will be hitting this clutch right here with my foot like that, real quick, to unsettle the rear end to give it more angle. Let's go head out and go drifting. This is gonna be a lot of fun.